Hi guys! So grabe, sobrang na-miss ko to. Ayan, itong aking whiteboard and itong aking pentel pen or whiteboard pen. Ayan, so ito sasagot tayo ng tanong dito sa TikTok. So sabi niya is paano daw to? Sana daw mapansin. Ayan. So we have here 0.49 times 100. Okay? So ito, pwede mong gamitin yung long method or pwede din namang yung short method din. Like that, ang ibig kong sabihin is we have two ways on how are you going to solve this kind of equation if ito ay 100, 1,000, 1,000,000, ayan. Okay? So, di ba, let's do first the long method. Okay? So, di ba, we have 0.49. So, the long method is to multiply them just like a whole number. Multiply mo lang sila na parang whole number. Unahin mo si 0, i-multiply sa lahat ng nasa taas, right? So, 0 times 0, of course, 0 yan. Rather, 0 times 9. 0 times 4, 0 as well. 0 times 0, that is 0, right? And then, dito ka naman sa isang 0, kasi tatlo sila eh. 0, rather, dalawang 0, tapos may isang 1. So, 0 times 9, ilagay mo yan dito, 0. 0 times 4, that is 0. 0 times 0, that is 0. And of course, si 1, you have to multiply also this 1 sa lahat dito sa taas. Ayan. So, 1 times 9. Okay, saan yung katapat ni 1? So, nandito na tayo. 9. And then, 1 times 4, of course. Lagay mo ulit yan dito. And then, 1 times 0, that is 0. And then, dito, you are going to add naman. Ayan. Add natin siya. Okay, so, bring down 0. Bring down. Then, ito, 9. And then, 4. And then, itong 0, hindi na natin siya kokopyahin. Okay na tayo for a while. Ayan. And then right after that, you are going to count how many decimal places are there in here. Okay, so dito from right to left, count ka. 1, 2. So you have 2 decimal places. So count ka dito. 1, 2. Okay, so therefore, your answer will be, ayan, 49. 49. Okay? So, this is the long method. But actually, there is a short way on how to solve this kind of an equation. Okay? So, for a minute. So, di ba we have here a 0.49? Ayan. Wait lang. Ang laki ng board. Okay. And then, dahil we have 0.49 in here, so, meron din tayo ditong 100. Ayan. I-multiply natin sila, di ba? Based on the equation or the questions, we have 0.49 times 100. Sa short way natin, when you are going to multiply any decimal to 100, what are you going to do is to just count how many zeros are there. There are 2 zeros in 100. Okay, ayan, 2 zeros. So, by that, from the decimal point, okay, ito ay kapag mag-multiply kayo from that decimal point, you move to decimal places kasi you have 2 zeros in 100. Move 2 decimal places from left to right. Okay? So, we have 1, 2. And then, nandun na yung iyong decimal point, right? Therefore, wala na siya dito. And then, your answer is 49. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, I hope ay nakatulong and nasagot ko yung tanong mo. Ayan. So, thank you so much and comment lang kayo mga bunso. And susubukan ko yan gawa ng mga video. Alright? So, medyo busy lang talaga si Mariel ngayon. But, actually, kapag ka namimiss ko yung bagay na mga gusto kong ginagawa, babalik at babalikan ko talaga siya. Like this one. Okay?